Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Dark Rising Nuzlocke. In the last episode, it was just me grinding like there was no tomorrow. In this episode, I will try to attempt to take down the gym leader, because that's what I try to do best. Alright, this gym leader is a fire type, so why am I putting Razor out first? No, in fact, I should put Stone out first. Because he's like my first resort, because I do not want to lose Draconis that easily. Alright. Now, the person up there is, of course, the gym leader. First, you have to face this guy. You are worthless. Go die. Thank you. Have a nice day. Alright. Level 31. Darumaka. I have my own. Yeah. Alright. Well, it looks like the first gym trainer's Pokemon has been taken out. Pretty easily, if I do say so myself. Don't think I'm weak because I'm new. I've seen your battles and tactics on TV. However, you're... Oh, TV, really? Nothing is real in TV. You got the question mark. Or was that meant to be? Whatever. Leader Fiery would like to battle. First Pokemon, Vulpix. Okay, this Vulpix will bring on the heat early in the battle. And I mean literally bring on the heat. Because Drought's gonna like open up for heat more, because this guy, he irks me strongly. Alright, I'm gonna keep stoned in and try. And why did I level up so much? It's like puny. No. Holy crap. 1 KO. Did not expect that. I was expecting more of a challenge, but I overleveled like a biatch. This is just insane level ups. There we go. That's how it's done. Wow, stoned. Stoned. We get a flame badge from Fiery. First gym badge of the game. Not bad. Just having the flame badge makes your Pokemon more powerful, and it also enables the use of the move Flash outside of battle. Alright, so we get access to HM something Flash. And TM50 Overheat, that's insane. TM's good for only one use. Alright, so we get Overheat. Although I think I teach the Flareon later, since it already has like 2 fire type moves. And now that we've beaten alright man, to Water's Cavern. Move out. Hello there. Looks like we just caught a glimpse of something that we were not meant to see. Let's get right to it. I'm going to test my Pokemon on you. Wait, really? Is this like a whole line of trainers? Growlithe, I sent out the wrong Pokemon. You know what? I'm just gonna say forget it and Leech Seed before I possibly die. I'm just gonna speed up because I really don't want to focus on this. Nice. I set a pretty good thing right there. Cyndaquil. I will switch out to Quincy. Gligar. Alright, and that's it. Now I'm going to switch out to Quincy again, because I want to capture a Pokemon here. Let's see what you got, Route. Halo! Talo. Beggars can't be choosers. Oh my god, critical hit, 9 damage, like what? Bag... Pokeball 18. I'm just gonna try and catch it. Alright, we get Talo. Cause why not? I might need an extra flying type. And you are now Ace. It says throw. Like what? Throw? Which one is throw in this game? Might be in the game, but I just don't know. I'm just gonna like battle all the trainers. Oh, double battle. Okay, I didn't see that. Rock slide. There we go. That's how it's done. Now I'm gonna put Flurry up first. Yeah, I leveled up some of my Pokemon quite a bit. Yeah. There we go. Oh, okay. I have some antidotes, so I'm good. I'm just in this huge lockdown of rollout awesomeness. What is up with everyone and Talo? Okay. You're all dead. I'm just... Screw the rules, I have a frickin' Darumaka. Why is there a whole line of trainers? Like, what? Level 32, Colony, I'm good. Lead Seed, that might be bad. Butterfree. Oh, this is bad. Okay, you're switching out. Draconis, take over. Box. What? Back, you almost killed my Darumaka. Rushing back. And heal. You just have to run a straight line, so I'm good. And Magikarp. Okay, drinking the Magikarp. Okay. That's because I felt like naming. Don't judge me. Just capture these Pokemon. These suck. And Rock Slide. Alright, this guy right here, he might have some Pokemon. Really? You're not a... They received an old rod. Oh, I'm going to receive so much crap. Okay, wait. You! Are you trying to find something about Darugis? If that's the case, we're on the same side. You know nothing about Darugis. You're only a kid. A curious kid. I seek revenge on Darugis. Revenge? Look, I don't know who the heck you are, but Darugis has my father, and I'm going to rescue him. At least you still have a family. Last time I was merely testing you. Now let's see what you really got. Bring it! Alright then, it's the second time versus a mysterious lady. You still don't know her name, so... Larvesta! You've been investing. Alright, so I'm gonna... Oh, this is gonna be bad, isn't it? Ha! Axew, no. Dragon Claw. I'm already like leveled up, biatch. Ooh. That was quite a bit of damage. We'll meet again somewhere. I'm off. Water's Cavern. Let's do this. Oh! You again? Are you teamed up with that blue-haired woman? Not really. Wait, you're one of the Darugus' grunts! Yeah, so what? Darugus has already affected the dynamo in this area. You think you can stop us? Oh, great. More grunts. Let's do this. Female grunt, too. Okay. Frillish! It's a good thing I have Razor out. I'm gonna try and do a poison seed combination here, because I really like that combination a lot. It's my favorite. Oh, there we go. Should use Razor Leaf from the beginning. Alright then, so there are two fossils that we shouldn't even bother, so I'm just gonna go back and go to the Pokemon Mart first, get some repels and more Pokeballs. The repels, I'll buy 20. Thank you. I'm still gonna sell them when I get access to super repels. And rushing back here. Why is it raining though? Must be something the creator wanted to do. Alright, so hopefully we don't run into any strong Pokemon. You! Dynamo! Alright, so that's one of the new Pokemon in this area. Venipede and Butterfree, alright. Ha! Headbutt. Tackle goes bye-bye. Stone is level 32. Bullet Seed. Beware flooding. Oh. No wonder the rain. Oh, Chinchou! Okay, first new Pokemon in the area. I need a water type, really. Oh, that's smart. We're not smart enough. Okay, Chinchou. I'll name you... No, what am I doing? Derp. You're female. So... Nuzlocke. Why does it always say throw? Whatever. Alright, so we have 3 new Pokemon. I'm gonna train them so much after. Both of them die at the end. Yeah, that's how it's done. Rare candy, okay. Oh, you don't do anything. You're just like mean. And you are an airhead. Ponyta, I'll change into Lariat. Because we're all out. I could just use Thrash, but okay. Alright, think about it. Razor Leaf for the heck of it. Alrighto. I would like to take my time, I honestly would, but I really can't. Well, it's because I feel very impatient today. Alright. Oh. Why are you moving around? Oh, just a hiker filled with rock-type Pokemon just for Ivysaur. I love it! Alright. Oh, there's 3 ladders? What? Alright, this might be a problem. Oh, Moonstone! And evolving Quincy. Yep, we have a Musharna now. They grow up so fast. Kill everything. Corefish. Huh. We like the attention to detail they have here. Huh. Take that. Another grunt. Great. Rock slide again. And that's it for the grunt. Thief. I'm just like having a lot of fun exploring this area. I'm running into so many grunts. Not giving a damn because I got a headbutt. Oh, flinch hacks. What? I feel like that milk tank, except better. Star piece money. Hack. Glitch. Things. Okay. Okay. Let's use some more repels. Yeah, alright, okay. I should give everyone a chance to train, really. So, Flaria and Thorn. No, not Flaria. What am I saying? Quincy. Bast! Okay, Bastiodon. Did not expect that. So magnitude real quick. Oh. Whew. Thank you. Cover fossil. Oh, cover and plume. I'll take plume. Alright, we got an Archeops. No, Archon. Possibly. Antidote. And Dread Swamp. Pokemon Trainer, what? You have a lot of Pokemon at this point. Like, what? No. South Thunderwave. Dano. Sneasel. Switch out to Flaria. I don't know what just happened, but I will switch out. Just to be safe. Zorua. Can't do shit. Ah, Quincy's dead. Quincy's dead. No, Quincy, no. Ah, you're almost dead. And Ivysaur is dead. I'm having such a great time already. Two of my Pokemon are dead. Solosis. You're giving me such bad nightmares right now, Solosis. Ah, two of my Pokemon are dead. Okay, great. Looks like I have to use two of the Pokemon in the PC. Move. I have to make a dead box. D. E-A-D. Quincy, no. Sorry, guys. 2 Pokemon dead. Alright, I'm gonna train Jenkin up and Ace. Alright, and that's pretty much all I have for this episode. So, in the next episode, I will hopefully have a Gyarados and perhaps Tailo, no, a Swallow at most. So, thank you guys for watching another episode of Pokemon Dark Rising Nuzlocke, and I'll see you next time.